I'm never giving up, I will climb every mountain, but people don't know it's hard sometimes, and every day I do my best. I'm counting on God to do the rest, 'cause every mountain I climb, I see the finish line. I was 15 when I started this road. I packed my bags and left my home. I thought that this would be easy, but life has a way.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing another hair review, and this unit is from Amazon. Came with some goodies, a wig cap and some lashes. So this is how the unit is looking, you all. So this is how it came, you all. This is their 13 by 4. Is it 13 by 4 or 13 by 6? I'm not certain if it's a 13 by 4 or 13 by 6, but I'll leave all the link to the units in the description, guys. And it is their ginger lace front hair, and it is 24 inches. And this unit has a comb at the back as usual, and an adjustable strap, and 2 combs in the front and 1 in the middle. And this is how the hairline is looking, you all. So this is how the hairline looks. The hair is nice and soft. This is how it looks, guys, when you put it on. I kind of like it. So this is the side. This is how it looks on that side. This is how it looks in the back. I'll put it up closer, guys, so you can see the hairline. So this is how the hairline looks. So I'll just put the hair in a ponytail and get it. Now I'll go in and remove the excess lace and lay the wig along. And I'll cut the lace. I'll cut the lace in 4 and do like this, so a bit easier to lay you up. I'll go in with the bedded spray.
Gotta say say, I was wrong. I was stupid, baby, I was now I'm looking at you still. I gotta take the long road this time. I'm never giving up, I will climb every mountain. But people don't know it's hard sometimes, and every day I do my best. I'm counting on God to do the rest. Cause every mountain I climb, I see the finish line. I was 15 when I started this road. I packed my bags and left my home. I thought that this would be easy, but life has a way of teaching. And yes, I am older now, but still at times I fall down. But all of it makes me stronger to walk on the road much longer. And looking back on
This is a gorgeous wig, you all, and I am so in love with this wig. As you can see, I didn't go in and had no baby hairs or nothing like that because the lace melts so nicely in my skin. I didn't want to take away from the unit by having no baby, grandma, auntie, or whatever hair. So guys, the quality of the wig is amazing, you all. So the link will be in the description. If you're interested, guys, you can go and check it out. Thank you for watching. As always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye.
I was 15 when I started the climb. It's crazy how the time flies by. One road seemed much shorter, I took the one much longer. And yes, I am wiser now, but fear can still knock me down. All of it